Hello YouTube, today we're going to be doing a video, and this is a very special video because I haven't been on for about a weekend, but today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going this AC3 Liberation. Psych, we're not going to go on that. We're about to go to Trolly Bird. A little review of how you do this game, which is gonna be something that we play today. When it's a sucky game. I just want to do this for more overlooks and stuff. It really sucks to me. It really sucks balls to me. It's just a gay game. And if you don't want to play a gay game, then leave this video. Alright, let's see. It's like Flappy Bird. Gay fur. He's a gay bird. He's a gay bird. He likes rainbows. He's a gay bird. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I suck at this game. Well, I just want to do this to make an update. Also, if you guys want me to see me play Assassin's Creed 3 Liberations, you will have to, when I get about 5 subscribers and 20 likes 10 likes on my videos, I'll release Assassin's Creed 3 because I have to delete all my game data, and then I gotta do all this blah 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 blah, do all that, and then when I feel like playing, every time I have to record it and stuff like that. And I made it far in the game.
I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero to the end of the night.
Sorry for that screaming in the bathroom. Alright. Ow, I suck. Oh, I suck again. I'm gonna win so bad. Before the update of this game, it was really close in between spaces, and then it said, "Oh, there's an update." Blah 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 blah. Ooh, all-time scores, 252. All right, so that was that, and we'll be having another video soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.